what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sa Francisco. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this Korean-inspired makeup look. Okay, so last week naglabas ng bagong product, yung BLK Cosmetics. And I'm like so happy kasi medyo nabubuhay na naman sila kasi sobrang silent nila for the past few months. Maybe because madami na din sila kasing nilabas nung nag-launch sila. Anyway, naglabas pa sila ng mga maraming products ngayon and I'm like really happy kasi yung mga nilabas nilang products is very Korean-inspired products. So, meron ditong water tint, BB stick if I'm not mistaken, at saka liquid eyeshadow. Hindi ako sure kung ano pa yung nirelease nila, pero yun lang yung familiar ako. So, I got the shade Cute for the liquid eyeshadow and this one naman for the water tint is in the shade red. Itong dalawang products na to, ito yung mga nagustuhan ko na feeling ko, personality ko. And then, for this one naman, it's 249 pesos. And this one naman, this one is 299 pesos. So yeah, if you're interested in how to achieve this glam makeup look, just keep on watching. So, let's start, guys! Okay guys, so let's start. So first, we're gonna prime our face using the Benefit Professional. Ginawa ko na din pala yung brows ko off-cam para mas mabilis. And in today's makeup tutorial guys, hindi tayo masyado mahihirapan kasi hindi to talaga fully glam makeup look. Ibig sabihin nito guys, walang baking, walang contour, walang highlighter. So very simple lang yung makeup natin. Moving forward to our next step, we need a full coverage foundation para mas makinis yung ma-achieve natin na look. Since we're aiming for that flawless glowy skin, I'm using the Matte Poreless from Maybelline. Para sa akin, medyo satin ang finish nito, hindi siya matte kaya perfect siya for this makeup look. And gamit lang tayo ng beauty blender para mas maganda yung application ng foundation natin. I'll be using my NARS Soft Matte Concealer para ma-highlight yung under eyes natin. Mas maganda kasing naka-brighten up yung under eye para mas mukhang gising yung mata natin. Punta na tayo sa eyes. I'm using the Dream Straight palette from Kathleen Lights. Ito yung shade na Shooting Star. Kung wala kayong ganito guys, alternative for this one is kahit anong Everble na contour color or anything na malapit sa brown. Itong transition color natin guys, ikakalat nyo lang to sa buong lids ninyo. Walang particular stroke. Basta i-blend nyo lang na maayos guys para walang harsh lines. Next step is the BLK liquid eyeshadow in the shade Cute. Gagamitin natin to sa buong lids natin. Ikakalat lang natin to ng ganito. Then, itatap natin para yung glitters hindi mawala at mas blended tingnan. Balik ulit tayo sa eyeshadow na brown, tapos blend lang natin para walang harsh lines. Blend lang tayo ng blend para hindi mabagsik tignan, dapat kasi dito magmukha lang tayong very sweet lang. Next for the blush, I'll use the BLK water tint in the shade red. As you can see, konti-konti muna nilalagay ko para hindi mabagsik. Build lang natin yung color para hindi makapal. Once na-achieve mo na yung gusto mong color ng blush mo, take any powder or yung natira mong foundation sa brush mo para maset yung blush mo at hindi na gumalaw. Ganito dapat ang itsura ng blush ninyo guys. Dapat blended siya, hindi siya makapal, hindi kayo mukhang sinampal-sampal. Next step, mag-mascara na tayo. Ito yung favorite mascara ko kasi talagang binibigyan niya ng volume yung mata ko. I love this product so much. It's called Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Kung ako sa inyo guys, itry nyo na siya. Next step, usually yung mga Koreans mahilig din maglagay ng glitter sa ilalim ng mata nila. So i-achieve din natin yon using again the liquid eyeshadow of BLK Cosmetics in the shade Cute. Next step, syempre para mas glowy tayo, i-add natin tong eyeshadow na to sa taas ng blush natin para may konting highlight tayo. To finish this look, ang gagamitin natin is again the BLK Cosmetics Water Tint in the shade Red. There you have it guys, I hope you like this Korean-inspired makeup look. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. See you again next time. Bye!